Okay. So we do know that the band is kind of open. It's hard to see what's going on with all the interference. But you can see a signal here and you can see a signal there. I figured I was already in here. I might as well turn on the radio in here before I disconnect the antenna and go outside. Because if there's nothing on the band and I'm not going to hear it on this radio, I'm definitely not going to hear it on that 30-foot piece of wire. So it's some kind of contest, so this will be a hard one to get. I really should just go over to the computer and we'll do this. Okay, let's go here. This is going to save a lot of time. Parks on the air. Okay, if you just want to make contacts, go to Parks on the Air. Look and see where these people are spotted, because this is a lot easier than working contest people. This is a lot easier than breaking into some grumpy old man's rag chew conversation on 40 meters. You know, this is a lot easier than pissing off the liberals in California that don't want to talk to you because you're not running, you know, a bunch of power. So there's a lot of stuff on here, and what you're going to be looking for here is photo spots. And we can pick all the bands, or we can just pick like whatever band we want. Okay, so I am interested in looking at 15 meters. And also, before we even bother, we can look in here and see there's 24 people on 20 meters. Let's just go to 20 meters and look and see. And then you can also select what mode you want. Okay, we just want SSB. Okay, I don't know what program it is. Let's see here. Okay, all HL, JA, VE, QRT, hide QRT, hunted. I don't know what that is. We're not going to get into all that. But so on 14277, 14321, 14317, and they will keep changing. So Florida, Colorado, South Dakota. South Dakota would be cool. Hey, let's just go see if he's on 14320 just really quick. I'll just say, you know, out of curiosity. Okay. South Dakota is really difficult. Oh. Well, I hear somebody. Well, we're not going to pick anything up. This is the guy calling him. Okay, so we got all these different guys on here. 1427. Well, how could they all be on the same frequency? Oh, they're not. 14321. So anyway, yeah, sign up for Parks on the Air. Get on the air, go to a park, set up, do this deal. I'm gonna probably start doing it once the weather gets nicer. So basically, I could probably go on here as a hunter. You know, I'm hunting Parks on the Air. Anyway, let's see how our print's coming along. It's a microphone holder. One of these. We're using this new gray stuff. So anyway, still printing this thing. Parks on the Air. Okay, well, let's try 10 meters. I didn't really hear any activity. See, 10 is dead. That is obvious. See, there is only one person. Cabarillo National Monument. Ooh, he's gone. Well, it says there's two of them. Okay. Alright, maybe something's just wrong with the internet connection. We have Chino Hills State Park. Apparently two guys, but they're both the same frequency. Maybe it's WWO, man. There was this man and woman king thing I saw one time. It was pretty funny. It's probably the guy's wife and him. I don't know. Well, look, there's all of a sudden there's all these ones. Am I not filtering this properly? Band 43. I only want to see 10 meters. Okay. Data will refresh in 4, 5, 6 seconds, 3 seconds, 2, 1, 0. There is nobody on 10 meters. They're all QRT. Okay, so we go 12. There's one person there. Nothing's showing up. 15. We got 2 people. 21325. We'll go check 21325. Okay. So obviously we don't hear the park guy. But we can hear the people calling him. So let me just go ahead and shut this off. I'm just gonna go outside and just see. Okay. So we still have everything set up from earlier. Just put the on the tripod. Listen to the neighbor's kids screaming in the background. Awesome. Alright. Sun's starting to go down, so it's going to get cold fast. Wait. Is this thing on or off? I could not get this thing to really cooperate on 10 meters, but there's nothing to worry about on there anyway. I don't even remember where that guy was at. Like 290. Must be near there. Ooh. Says I have 75 watts coming out with that little battery. Maybe he's right here. Boy, that's some rocket. Oh, okay. Kilo Golf 7, Hotel Victor Romeo.
Bravo, Germany 4, Golf Oscar Victor 59.
Bravo.
Thank you. Kilo Juliet 7. Okay, Kilo Juliet 7, Uniform Tango Charlie 59. 59 Oregon. Thank you. Bravo Romeo America. Russia Kilo Charlie 0, Bravo Radio Alpha 59. Thank you. Romeo Lima. Roger, good. Thank you. Juliet Hotel 4, Bravo. Roger, Juliet Henry 4, Bravo, Whiskey Japan 59. Thank you.
Kilo Golf 7, Hotel Victor Romeo.
Kilo, Germany.
Man, I don't know. Must be getting wiped out by
Roger,
Japan.
Juliet Alpha Zero, Golf Zulu Zulu, 59. Thank you. 5, Hotel Papa, 59. Thank you, Henry. Enjoy the evening.
Kilo Golf 7, Hotel Victor Romeo.
Kilo what, 7?
Kilo Golf 7, Hotel Victor Romeo.
Kilo Golf 7, Hotel Victor Radio, 59.
QSL 59 into Arizona.
JA5, Alpha, JA3 or 5?
Well, we're lucky to get that one.
Roger, Juliet Alpha 3, Alpha Mike India, 59. Thank you. Sugar Radio. Juliet Hotel 1, Uniform Sugar Radio, 59.